हाय, आप सबका मेरी नई वीडियो में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा इस वीडियो में कैसे आप पेनोरामा फ़ोटो को 360 डिग्री में उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। मेरे पास 360 कैमरा नहीं है, तो अगर मुझे कोई 360 डिग्री कोई इमेज चाहिए तो मैं कैसे पेनोरामा अपने मोबाइल के थ्रू पेनोरामा इमेज क्लिक करके उसको 360 में कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूँ। ये इस वीडियो में अपन सीखेंगे, तो जल्दी से चलते हैं लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन पर।
Crying alone, anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head, since you've been gone. These knees, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talking to my demons, asking for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling. If I'm the one who cheated on the sex without no meaning, I like to keep her heart safe, but mine stop beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated, so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these earnings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head, since you've been gone. These endings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head, since you've been gone. Since you've been I try so hard to stay medicated, so I don't have to face the wrong I've done to you. I take these they make me anti-social, tear my system, anti-social, anti-social. I take these journeys, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head, since you've been gone. These knees, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talking to my demons, asking for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling. If I'm the one who cheated on the sex without no meaning, I like to keep her heart safe, but mine stop beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated, so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these earnings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out, I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head. Since you've been gone, these sadness, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out.